Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is weigh-in number 8. This completes a full 8 weeks of being on Optavia. And before we get started, a couple things. I want to apologize for my appearance this morning. My family took me out for dinner last night for my birthday. And thank you all for the birthday wishes. I thought they were phenomenal. They were kind. They were warm. They were loving. And I really do appreciate them all. But I did wind up falling asleep with makeup on, which is a no-no. So obviously I have to go take care of that. And I don't know, I came home, I washed up, I didn't take my makeup off because I really didn't have the intention of going to sleep when I fell asleep, and I just fell asleep. So it is about 7:30 in the morning on Saturday. Just got up, went to the bathroom, brushed my teeth, and hopped on the scale. So went out for dinner last night. Normally, you go out to celebrate your birthday, right? You have a drink or two. I was actually peer pressured into some questions of, well, you're not having a drink for your birthday, or, you're not going to have appetizers, or blah, 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 blah. And I just declined because this is so important to me. I want this so bad. My coach had said to me one of the most powerful phrases, and I will never forget it, and I constantly have it in the back of my mind. She said, "Lori, I wanted this so bad, I would have eaten sawdust." She would have eaten sawdust. And that phrase was so pivotal in everything because I think about that a lot. I think about how many times we want to complain, maybe something doesn't taste exactly perfect or all this other stuff. But again, it's a fueling. It's not meant for enjoyment. We are fueling our bodies with the nutrients that we need, and the whole spiel. So I keep that with me at all times. So I was completely like, nope, I'm not going off track. I want this. I'm doing so well. And I stuck to no appetizer, no alcoholic beverages. This is the clincher of it all. We went to a place called Texas Roadhouse, and I went ahead and looked at the menu beforehand. We've been there before, but I've, never been on like an eating plan. Like normally you can have a bacon with burger and mayo and all that stuff. And if you're on keto, that's a wonderful place to eat. But for me, I was looking through the menu and I settled on salmon and steamed broccoli and a salad. That's what I ordered. But I ordered it, your typical, dry salmon, no butter, no oil, and the broccoli the same. I didn't want anything on it. And with my salad, I had the dressing on the side, and I chose not to even use it, but I didn't even want to say, don't bring me salad, because the poor girl, when I was ordering anyway, was like, oh. So I just used some freshly squeezed lemon on top of my salad, very clean. That can be a keto meal as well. Salmon, but you could have butter on salmon on keto. So long story made short, guys, I ate my dinner nice and slow. I felt really good about it. I will insert a picture right here. How simple was that, right? A lemon wedge, some salmon, and some steamed broccoli, and a big glass of water with a little bit of lemon in it. And the most interesting thing to me was when all the appetizers came out and the bread and all that other stuff. And I just sat there sipping my water. My family loves and supports me. Nobody says anything, but I can tell. I'm like, how are they going to eat their meals? So, they're eating, everybody came from work. So everybody was hungry. And, they ate the bread and they ate their appetizers and they had their alcohol and whatnot. And then dinner came. I was the only one that dug into my dinner. I ate my dinner and enjoyed it and savored it and felt so good. Everybody took like 2 or 3 bites of their dinner and they were sitting there like, oh, I'm so full. And I actually said out loud, I'm like, why are you all so full? I'm enjoying my meal, wanting to see if somebody was going to say, it's from all the appetizers and bread that we ate, but nobody did. Nobody would say a word. It was so funny. I was literally the only one that ate all the food from their plate. Everybody else took a doggy bag home. I ate my salmon and my broccoli and had my nice salad and my water with lemon. and I was perfectly content. So that is the lead up to today. I will not stray. I will eat sawdust if it means that I get to what I want to do. And what I want to do is compete in a fitness competition. That's what I want to do. I want to lean out. I want to build some muscle, but only after I lean out, because I find that when I did that already, I was getting bigger, but you weren't seeing as much because I didn't have the body fat loss. So that's what I'm working on now. My labs are still stable. I'm doing great. All of my vitamins and everything are back to where they should be. So I'm feeling wonderful health-wise and mentally and everything. So, all right, let's get to the weight loss, guys. So you guys know that last week I stayed the same, and that's totally cool with me at this point, because you know what that means. You know when you have a very tiny, tiny loss or none at all, that the next week is going to be kick ass, right guys? Okay, well, here we go. You want to know how much I lost? Drum roll, please. That is right. Can you even believe it? 3.5 pounds. Oh my God, 3.5 pounds. I don't know. I don't know what to say. 3.5 pounds. That means, what am I at now? 23 pounds? Something like that. Oh my God, I forgot to calculate it before I did this video. Sorry guys. I'll put it right here below. I can't remember exactly. Wow, it's too early. But yes, can you even freaking believe that? 3.5 pounds down from last week, which is kind of like a 2-week thing. But anyway, you'll have to go watch my other videos if you want to know. I have posted a weekly weigh-in every single time, every week since starting. So, and they're all labeled with the same thumbnail, so you can just go through them all. But holy crap, guys, ladies, gentlemen, children of all ages, if you're struggling health-wise, if you're struggling weight-wise, and you've been on keto, or you're on keto, or low carb, or Weight Watchers, or whatever, or nothing, and nothing's working for you, consider trying Optavia. Not pushing it, but it truly works. I can't believe my progress. I don't know. I just can't believe it. Every time I do one of these videos, I'm like, I'm losing weight. I'm losing weight every week. So if you're interested, I'll have the link in the box below, and you can feel free to comment and contact me if you want. I am a health coach for the company, so at your beck and call when you need me, and there to provide you support and knowledge and ideas and all kinds of stuff. Having that support is instrumental in this whole thing. I still communicate with my coach. A coach needs a coach, and it's fabulous. So anyway, that's my little weigh-in video at 7:30 in the morning while everybody's still snoozing. So I am going to be going to Jess's concert tonight. He has a big show, Metal Fest, they're doing, and so I'm excited. I know somebody was mentioning that they would be interested in seeing a little bit of footage from that. So I'm going to be filming there tonight. And I don't know how good it's going to be, because I'm sure it's going to be pretty dark inside. Sorry, guys. And then with all the lights and stuff. But I'll do the best thing I can for you. And yeah, so I'm going to get up, probably take a shower, go take the girls out for a walk, make my fueling #1, and start a whole new week. And so stay focused. Thank you all for watching these videos. I appreciate them, and I will see you in my next video. And thank you again for all the beautiful birthday wishes. I love you guys. Stay focused. Bye.